Hello everyone, welcome to Design Minds channel. In this video I'm going to explain what is name server, what is CNAME, what is a record IP to launch a website. I know it's little technical, but still it's good to know when you launch your website or when you ask someone to launch your website or create your website. This is the basic principle to launch the website. Okay, so I have explained already in my previous video what is domain and what is hosting, and I'm gonna explain again. Okay, just for a recap, domain is just a unique name that user will identify your business or your profile. Okay, and hosting is nothing but where your domain website files and images and content is stored. Okay, so domain and hosting is two mandatory things that you need. You need it to launch your website. Okay, to launch the website there are 3 to 4 types, four type of way that you can launch your website. One is web space, another one is name servers, another one is CNAME, another one is a record. So let me explain in detail what is web space and what is name server and what is CNAME and what is a record. Okay, a web space refers to the storage space for files on a server. Okay, name server, a name server refers to the server component of the domain name system. And CNAME, a canonical name record, is a type of resource records in the domain name system that maps one domain name to another. Okay, and a records IP address are the most basic type of DNS records and are used to point a domain or subdomain to an IP address. Okay, so let me give you an example and how it is working, the web space and the name server and CNAME and a record setting. Okay, assume you have registered your domain with the GoDaddy provider vendor. Okay, and also hosting you have purchased just with the same GoDaddy. Okay, so when you launch your website, your domain, you can easily point your hosting where the files and content located for your domain. Okay, easily point your same vendor using the web space. Web space is nothing but a folder which contain the files and images of your website. Okay, so you can easily point your domain to the same provider web space folder and you can launch the website. So this is the easy way. Okay, and this is one scenario. Okay, and second scenario is, what if you register your domain name with the GoDaddy, one provider, and you have purchased the hosting with another provider called Ionis, or in your case any other provider, because there are many hosting and domain providers available. I'm just taking this as an example. Okay, so your domain is registered in GoDaddy and hosting was registered in Ionis. Okay, now you need to tell the domain, okay, domain files is located in the different providers. Okay, so you have to point this domain and to the different provider folders. Okay, so in this case you cannot use the web space. Okay, so to point your domain to the different vendor web space, there is a 3 option which you can use. One is name server and CNAME and a records. Okay, using the name server, all you have to do is take your name server. This is example name server, sample name server, and this is sample CNAME data, and this is sample a records. Okay, so for your respective hosting they might have a name server name and CNAME and a records name. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make a note of your hosting name server detail and log in to your another provider. In my case is GoDaddy. Open your respective domain DNS zone and update the name server setting of your hosting name server. Okay, if you update this name server setting, whenever the user type your domain, they automatically point the hosting system and take all the files and content and show your website. Okay, so this is the way the domain will take the website with another hosting provider and launch your website for the user. Show your website information for the user. Okay, so you can use the name server type to launch your website and CNAME option to launch your website and a record to launch your website. Okay, so these three methods are useful to launch your website when you register your domain with one provider and hosting with another provider. So using these three methods, you can launch your website. Okay, hope this is useful, and there are detailed differences when you use the name server and CNAME and A records, okay, which I will be explained in my future videos. Okay, hope this the basic information is very useful. If you think it's useful, please like and share and comment if you have any clarification. Your like and share will motivate me to create more videos. Thank you so much for watching the video.